Response for a class, RFC. Now RFC is what? First of all, let us understand. Methods that can potentially be executed in response to a message received by an object of that class. Now you are receiving a message and say M1 is an object of this class. Now the invocation of R1 has happened. That is, RFC measures the immediate surrounding of a class. If some message is coming and some other, say, object are being invoked or some other thing are invoked, this is the response for a class. So we say it in the size of the response set, we take the union of the which is in getting message and what are invoked. So RFC is the number of method in this response set. So as this RFC will increase, the effort of testing also will increase because the test sequence will grow, because some input is coming here, other is getting invoked or called. So as the RFC will increase, the overall design complexity of the class will also bound to be increased, like R1, R4, R3, they will also get invoked.